Hello and welcome to Team AutoTrash.
In the United States, pollution is an ever increasing exponential problem. In its current state, globally, we produce over 400 million tons of plastic each year. Despite this, only 9% of all produced plastics are recycled. If US recycling levels were to reach 75%, it would be the environmental and carbon dioxide equivalent of removing 55 million cars from US roads each year. This level of recycling would also create over 1.5 million jobs in the United States alone.
This is not to say that solutions do not already exist. In our school, we even have recycling bins. This system is flawed though. It relies on humans to put in extra effort to place their waste in the correct bins. Even opening just one plastic recycling bin in our school, we found there to be paper bags mixed in, despite there being a paper recycling bin immediately to the left. Our team strives to address this issue by eliminating any extra work for its users.
Our process is broken down into 4 main steps. First, we gather relevant data, then we conduct data analysis. Using that, we implement a machine learning algorithm, and finally we build a physical prototype. Once we have analyzed and classified data, we can write an algorithm that will take in all of these parameters to determine if the material is recyclable. With machine learning, we reinforce appropriate conclusions or correct it. After many iterations, the algorithm will learn to make more accurate predictions.
In order to make accurate predictions, the algorithm needs a large dataset. Luckily, we can use Google image scraping to collect as many samples as we need. This is the code image on the left side of the screen. The code on the top right of the screen will eliminate any duplicate images gathered from Google. Once we have the dataset, we can begin training the code to recognize images. This starts with classifying images as pictured in the bottom right. Eventually, the algorithm will classify images independently with high accuracy.
Moving on to our 3D model, we wanted to replicate the experience of any normal trash bin for its user. The user will place their waste in the bin and the item will fall onto the conveyor belt. Then a camera as well as a number of other sensors will take in information that will be fed through our algorithm. The algorithm will determine whether it should go in the recycling or trash bin. Then, the conveyor belt will rotate in the corresponding direction.
So who is our main audience for our product? Well, generally in any place or business that sees large-scale waste production. Specifically, some examples include schools, large businesses, and public areas.